Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany, and today we are going to be reading Duck for President. It's a really funny and cute book, and it also teaches you all about voting. Running a farm is very hard work. At the end of each day, Farmer Brown is covered from head to toe in hay, horsehair, seeds, sprouts, feathers, filth, mud, muck, and coffee stains. He doesn't smell very good either.
Yuck!
The animals have chores to do too. Pigs clean under the beds. Cows weed the garden. Sheep sweep the barn. Duck take out the trash. Mow the lawn. Grind the coffee beans. At the end of each day, the pigs are covered in lanes of bunnies, the cows are covered in weeds, the sheep are covered in dust, and Duck is covered in tiny bits of grass and espresso beans. Duck did not like to do chores. He did not like picking tiny bits of grass and espresso beans out of his feathers. Why is Farmer Brown in charge anyway? Thought Duck. What we need is an election. He made a sign and hung it up in the barn. Farmer Brown must go. Farm election tomorrow. The next morning, Farmer Brown found a poster on his front door. Vote Duck for a kinder, gentler farm.
What's the big idea?
Farmer Brown was furious. He ran to the barn and found the animals registering to vote. Voter registration. Voters must 1. Live on the farm. 2. Show valid ID. And 3. Be at least this tall. The mice got together and protested the height requirement. So Duck crossed it off. So he crossed up number 3. You didn't have to be that tall. On election day, each of the animals filled out a ballot and placed it in a box. The vote was counted and the results were posted on the barn wall. It says Farmer Brown 6, Duck 20. He won by a lot. Farmer Brown demanded a recount. One sticky ballot was found stuck at the bottom of a pig. A new tally was Farmer Brown 6, Duck 21. So Duck was the one who ended up getting the other vote. The voters had spoken. Duck was officially in charge. Running a farm is very hard work. Do you guys remember the very beginning where Farmer Brown was covered in everything? Well, let's see what happens to Duck. At the end of each day, Duck was covered from head to toe in hay, horsehair, seeds, sprouts, feathers, filth, mud, muck, and coffee stains. Running a farm is no fun at all, thought Duck. Vote for me! I'm a duck, not a politician. That's what it says on the little signs. That night, Duck and his staff started working on Duck's campaign for governor. So because he didn't like, right, to be in the farm, he said, a farm is hard work. Let me go and be governor. Duck left Farmer Brown in charge. So anyway, Farmer Brown was going to be in charge. So Duck left Farmer Brown in charge and hit the campaign trail. He visited small town diners. He marched the parades. He went to town meetings. He gave speeches that only other ducks could understand. On election day, the voters filled out their ballots in booths all over the state. The vote was counted and the results were posted in the local paper. And it says, on the paper it says, by a nose, Mrs. Governor, 299,999. She's shocked. Duck, 300,000. That means Duck won. The governor demanded a recount. 2 sticky ballots were found stuck to the bottom of a plate of pancakes. The new tally was Mrs. Governor, 299,999. Duck, 3,002. 2 sticky ballots were found were for who? For Duck! The voters had spoken. Duck was officially in charge. Running a state is very hard work. At the end of each day, Duck was covered from head to toe in hairspray, ink stains, scotch tape, fingerprints, mayonnaise, and coffee stains. And he had a very, very bad headache. Running a state is no fun at all, thought Duck. That night, Duck and his staff started working on posters for the presidential election. So he didn't like being governor, right? So he was like, okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to run for president. A duck for change. I like Duck. Duck making us proud again. Duck left his staff in charge and hit the campaign trail. He kissed babies in local diners. He rode in parades. He gave speeches that only other ducks could understand. He even played the saxophone on late night television. On election day, the voters filled out their ballots in the booths all over the country. The vote was counted and the results were announced on CNN. Are you ready? Decision America, it says on top. Mr. President, 50,546,165. Duck had 50,546,170. The president demanded a recount. 10 sticky ballots were found stuck to the bottom of the vice president. The new tally was, Mr. President, 50,546,165. Duck, 50,546,180. The 10 votes were for Duck. The voters had spoken. Duck was officially in charge. Running a country is very hard work. At the end of each day, Duck was covered from head to toe in face powder, paper cuts, staples, security badges, security service agents, and coffee stains. And he had a very bad headache. Running a country is no fun at all, thought Duck. He checked the help wanted ad. The help wanted ad. It said, Duck needed. No experience necessary. Must be able to mow the lawn and grind coffee beans. What does that sound like? Duck left the vice president in charge and headed back to the farm. At the end of each day, Farmer Brown is now covered from head to toe in hay, horsehair, seeds, sprouts, feathers, filth, mud, muck, and coffee stains. And Duck, what do you think Duck is doing? Let's see. Pause the video. All right, let's see. He's working on his autobiography. All right, everyone. I hope that you liked this. It was super fun and I loved it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.